The company, known for its iconic cars and innovative engineering, is currently navigating through a turbulent period marked by financial pressures, internal restructuring, and fierce competition. Let's explore the details of these issues and understand what they mean for the future of Volkswagen. Volkswagen has recently reported a significant decline in its third-quarter earnings, a stark contrast to its previous financial performance. The company's net profit plummeted by 64%, dropping from 4.35 billion euros to just 1.58 billion euros. This dramatic decrease has sent shockwaves through the industry and raised serious concerns about Volkswagen's financial health. The primary reasons behind this decline include increased competition from Chinese electric vehicle manufacturers and rising operational costs in Europe, particularly in Germany. In response to these financial challenges, Volkswagen has announced a series of drastic measures aimed at cutting costs and improving efficiency. One of the most significant steps is the planned closure of at least 3 plants in Germany. This decision marks a historic moment for the company, as it is the first time Volkswagen has considered such drastic measures in its home country. The closures are part of a broader strategy to streamline operations and reduce expenses, but they have sparked considerable concern among employees and unions. The announcement of plant closures has not been well received by Volkswagen's workforce. The company's Works Council and unions have expressed strong opposition to the closures, arguing that they will lead to significant job losses and negatively impact local communities. The head of Volkswagen's Works Council, Daniela Cavallo, has been vocal about the need for a comprehensive plan that goes beyond just cutting costs. She has called for negotiations to develop alternatives to plant closures and layoffs, emphasizing the importance of protecting jobs and ensuring the company's long-term sustainability. In addition to plant closures, Volkswagen is also considering a 10% pay cut for its German workforce. This proposal has further fueled tensions between management and employees who are already grappling with the uncertainty brought about by the planned closures. The pay cut is part of Volkswagen's broader effort to reduce labor costs and remain competitive in an increasingly challenging market. However, it has been met with resistance from employee representatives who argue that such measures will only exacerbate the current crisis and undermine employee morale. The challenges faced by Volkswagen are not limited to financial pressures and internal restructuring. The company is also dealing with intense competition from Chinese electric vehicle manufacturers, who are rapidly gaining market share in Europe. These competitors offer high-quality electric vehicles at lower prices, putting significant pressure on traditional automakers like Volkswagen to innovate and reduce costs. The rise of Chinese electric vehicles has highlighted the need for Volkswagen to accelerate its transition to electric mobility and invest in new technologies to stay ahead of the competition. Volkswagen's struggles are further compounded by the broader economic environment in Europe. The region is facing rising energy prices, supply chain disruptions, and economic uncertainty, all of which are impacting the automotive industry. These challenges have made it difficult for Volkswagen to maintain its competitive edge and have forced the company to make tough decisions to secure its future. The combination of internal and external pressures has created a perfect storm for Volkswagen, testing the resilience and adaptability of the company. Despite these setbacks, Volkswagen remains committed to its long-term vision of becoming a leader in electric mobility and sustainable transportation. The company has made significant investments in electric vehicle technology and has launched several new models, including the all-electric ID.7 Pro S, which boasts an impressive range of 794 kilometers on a single battery charge. These innovations are part of Volkswagen's strategy to position itself as a key player in the electric vehicle market and reduce its reliance on traditional internal combustion engines. However, the road ahead is fraught with challenges. Volkswagen must navigate the complexities of transitioning to electric mobility while managing the financial pressures and internal restructuring efforts. The company's ability to adapt to these changes and execute its strategic vision will be crucial in determining its future success. The coming months will be critical for Volkswagen as it seeks to stabilize its operations, regain financial stability, and reaffirm its position as a global automotive leader. Volkswagen is currently facing a period of significant upheaval marked by financial challenges, internal restructuring, and intense competition. The company's recent decisions to close plants and cut costs have sparked considerable concern among employees and unions, highlighting the difficult choices that lie ahead. Despite these setbacks, Volkswagen remains focused on its long-term vision of leading the electric vehicle market and driving sustainable transportation. The journey ahead will be challenging, but with strategic planning and effective execution, Volkswagen can navigate these turbulent times and emerge stronger. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the automotive industry and other related topics. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think about Volkswagen's current situation and its future prospects? We'd love to hear from you.